What's up, guys? So we made it all the way back from California. We are back in Iowa, actually at the Hummer lot, and we are taking a 34 because I think we only got 6 hours back for our recaps last night, and I'm just exhausted from going all the way out and all the way back. So we're taking a 34 right now. I'm doing laundry and getting ready to edit a bunch of videos to get posted. What's up, guys? So we are in Kansas right now. I think it's Brooklyn or Manhattan or something like that. Kansas is where we are delivering. But we finished delivering, and now there's a PetSmart or a Petco. PetSmart across the street. And I think I'm gonna take Sienna over there. So yeah. There it is. There's the PetSmart. Okay, so that's where we're gonna go. Okay, so it was crazy windy, so I couldn't record anything while we walked over there and back. But I did buy, there's a whole bunch of stuff that I bought her. I got her a new leash, some bully sticks, and a new food bowl. So it's a smaller food bowl so that she eats less while she's in the truck, because like myself, Miss Sienna also needs to eat less and go on a diet while we're in the truck. Goodness, it's windy out there. So we're empty now, so we have to be really careful making our way back. We have to pick up somewhere outside of Kansas City, and we're taking that to Iowa. So let's go do that. Sienna got a new light up collar just in time for the damn blizzard to hit. Ooh, it's cold and windy and snowing. Holy cow. Brr. See the snow blowing. So we hit a snag, guys. We actually stopped early because it started snowing, and with the wind blowing, there's a blizzard alert going off on my phone right now. You can see everybody's pulling in to stop. The snowplow actually went in, and you can't tell where. Yeah. So we're gonna go to bed now. Are you all done? So the snowplow finally came through, and yeah. He's not going anywhere, and so I'm not going anywhere. Damn. Look at how covered in snow she is. I don't know how much snow we gotta drive through. So this over here is where it's plowed. We have 1 hump, 2 humps we gotta get over. What's up, guys? We are currently in Illinois. We have a load going to North Carolina. We stopped last night at like midnight because it was getting way too icy. Like a car spun out on a bridge ahead of us, so we stopped. But now it's, I don't know if you can see, it's still snowing. That's no bueno. Come on now. We gotta make it to North Carolina by tomorrow, and we have like 15 hours left to drive. Oh my gosh. Look at the snow. We stopped for a 30-minute break, and when we stopped, there was nothing. Like, it was completely dry, no rain or anything, no snow, and now look at it snow. That's crazy. What the heck? 30 minutes, y'all.